In this video, I'm going to share a proven affiliate marketing success hack. It's a beginner simple way anyone can have massive success in affiliate marketing. Whether you've been in affiliate marketing a while and not achieved the level of success you were hoping for, or if you are a complete beginner looking to get started the right way, stick with me. I've got exactly what you need. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time online marketer. I haven't worked a real full-time job in years, thanks to what I'm going to share with you. I'll show you how to work just a few hours per week from wherever you want to be, whenever it's convenient for you, and make a terrific income. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, let me know how you got value out of this video. So there is a big problem in our industry. Too many people do not have the success they were hoping for in affiliate marketing. Many fail miserably. I've talked to countless marketers who spent a small fortune and a lot of time, yet never made a dime. Well, you do not need to be one of them. Frequently, people join the industry with unrealistic expectations. Expectations about how much money they will make, how much time the business will require, or what skills they need to have. Sometimes, people fail because they have not done enough research before jumping in. Other times, they have fallen victim to a lot of hype. And too often, they've been flat out lied to. But the biggest challenge in the industry as a whole, though, is that even when someone starts an affiliate marketing business with realistic expectations, the odds are still against them because they rarely receive the training they need. That's the big one. You absolutely need excellent training. See, without good training, people end up continually spinning their wheels, repeating marketing tactics that have not produced results and never will. It's no wonder so many people fail. Well, the good news is it does not have to be that way. You do not have to be one of them. Everyday people can have massive success in affiliate marketing. Start by downloading a copy of my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. In it, I share everything that has helped me have massive success. All you have to do is copy what works, and you too can be on the fast track to success. Even with no previous experience, it covers everything. My free ebook will help you get started in affiliate marketing the right way, teach you how to brand and promote you using free marketing strategies, and use automation to build a profitable business in just minutes per day. This free ebook can literally cut years off your learning curve. Many of those with my free ebook make money their very first day, and that's even if they've struggled in the past. It will help you make affiliate marketing one of the easiest things you have ever done. So grab your copy of the ebook now. I'm not sure how much longer I will be able to offer it for free. To get your free ebook, go to my website at affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Again, that's affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Then all you have to do is copy what's in it. Grab your ebook now. We'll talk soon.